Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix PS5 error code CE-108863-6 PlayStation 5 console couldn't connect to server. Fix 1. Check PlayStation Network PSN status. Open the PSN status page and check if any PlayStation services are down. Now wait until Sony resolves any server issues. Fix 2. Restart your PS5. Press the PS button and select power. Now choose Restart PS5 and try connecting again. Fix 3. Restart your router. Turn off your router/modem and wait for around 2 to 5 minutes. Then turn it back on and reconnect your PS5 to the internet. Fix 4. Change DNS settings. Go to Settings. From there, go to Network. Go to Settings, then go to Network, and select your network and choose Advanced Settings. Now set DNS to manual and use 8.8.8.8 primary and 8.8.4.4 secondary. Then save and reconnect. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.